Which country eats the most chocolate per person? Switzerland. Which country drinks the most coffee per person? Finland. Which country eats the most cheese per person? France. Which country eats the most rice? Bangladesh. Which country eats the most noodles? South Korea. Which country consumes the most seafood? Japan. Which country eats the most bread? Turkey. Which country eats the most spicy food? India. Which country eats the most potatoes? Belarus. Which country eats the most fast food? USA. Which country eats the most pasta? Italy. Which country eats the most meat? Argentina. Which country eats the most fish? Iceland. Which country eats the most chocolate cake desserts? Germany. Which country eats the most sushi? Japan. Which country eats the most fried chicken? South Korea. Which country eats the most biryani? Pakistan. Which country eats the most burgers? USA. Which country eats the most ice cream? New Zealand. Which country eats the most street food overall? Thailand.